Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. My name is Pratiksha Shukla. I have cracked various banking prelims as well as main examination. One of them is SBI clerk. As we all know, SBI clerk notification has arrived. So today I am here to tell you my strategy with which I have cracked my SBI clerk prelims examination. As we all know, there are basically three main subjects in prelims. They are reasoning, quant and English. First, let us talk about reasoning. In reasoning, we can see various topics such as puzzles, and then comes our miscellaneous portion. Talking about the puzzles, we must always start our puzzle with at least two possibilities. One possibility gets eliminated at the end and you can go with the final one. If you are a beginner, you can always solve easiest puzzles at first, because this will boost confidence within you towards the topic, and then you can solve moderate ones and then difficult ones. And you must do daily at least 5 puzzles, practice at least 5 puzzles on daily basis, and according to the level, I mean first easy, then moderate, and then difficult. Now coming towards miscellaneous topic, in miscellaneous you must solve your this 20-minute mocks. These will help you in understanding your miscellaneous topics. And one more, there is a important topic in your reasoning, that is syllogism. I am saying this topic is important because this carries at least 3 to 5 marks in your reasoning portion, and there are some complicated type of question in this as well, like very few case or only A is B case, so you must go through that as well. For quant portion, being a banking student, you must always know one thing, that you must have good calculative skills so that you can solve mathematical problem within a short span of 20 minutes. Like in simplification and approximation, you must always do at least 50 questions daily of this simplification and approximation. This will enhance your quantitative speed. Now talking about other miscellaneous topics such as profit and loss, time and work, pipe cistern, percentage and ratio, you must have thorough knowledge about each and every topic. Now which according to me most important miscellaneous topics are percentage and ratio, because these two are the topics which play a major role in your data interpretation types questions as well. Now coming towards English, in English you have error detection, and then spelling errors, and reading comprehension, and your fillers, close test. So for English, for the error detection part, you must have a good grammatical, you must know about grammatical rules thoroughly. And then for all the other topics like reading comprehension, fillers, what is most important is you must have good reading skills. And what you can do for this is you must read daily English newspaper, and best newspaper in English which I must suggest to you is the Hindu. And one thing more you can do is, while reading your daily newspaper, you can always write difficult words in a separate notebook, and then you can write antonyms and synonyms of those words, and this will make your vocabulary power more strong, okay, or this will make your vocabulary power stronger. So I hope that my strategy will help you in cracking your SBI clerk prelims examination. Thank you and have a nice day.